Hi everyone, starting off I'll be taking this color satin from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and going to take this color as my transition shade and going to take this color parallel. It's a dark brown chocolatey color, so I'm going to take the same blending brush and start diffusing the color more and more. And going to take a flat brush and going to take the same color parallel and going to put it on the outer V with the flat brush and going to take this green color from Morphe 35B palette and going to start applying this color on the middle part of my lid also with a black shader brush and going to take the color spear and going to start applying it on the inner corners of my eyes with the Urban Decay flat shader brush. I got this brush on the Urban Decay electric palette. And going to take this color pyramid and going to put it on the brow bone and going to take this Cover FX blurring primer and L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation and going to apply this on my face. And going to take this Colourpop No Filter Concealer in medium 1035 and going to start applying it on the under eyes, on the bridge of my nose, forehead and chin and going to blend it out using the Morphe concealer brush. And going to set my face with the translucent powder and going to contour my face using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette and going to take this Sigma Beauty blush and going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks and going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter and going to apply it on the cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose and on the forehead. Going to take this Cover FX luminizing primer and going to set my face with it and Colourpop Frida lippie stick. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.